In this video, I'll show you how to set a stop loss on futures in Robinhood and what you need to know first. Start by opening the app and logging into your account. From the home screen, tap the search icon and look for the futures contract you want to trade. Now here's the key point: Robinhood currently does not support futures trading, which means you also won't find an option to place stop loss orders on futures inside the app. If you search for futures contracts, they won't be available to trade at all. If your goal is to manage risk with stop losses, you can still do that with stocks or options. Open a position you already own, tap Trade, then select Sell. On the order screen, choose Order Types, and pick the stop price or stop limit. Enter your stop price, review the order, and submit it. So while futures stop losses aren't available here, you can still control risk on supported trades using these tools. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials.